Hey everybody, Joe from Joe Builds here. Today I'm back at work. I know I've done a lot of videos on building and just different stuff at work, but I haven't really done a lot of videos on fitness. And fitness has always been a big part of my life. I played sports in high school growing up. And after that, I became a personal trainer, became a CrossFit trainer, ended up buying and owning a CrossFit gym, and then I sold that. But as being a firefighter, fitness is still a big part of my life. So we're here today in our gym here, and this is our standard gym in most of our stations. We have, the treadmills, elliptical. Each station's a little bit different. So this one has a rower, but again, they usually have some kind of machine. These are kind of more old school machines over here, and then sets of dumbbells. And so with my experience, it's pretty easy for me to come up with different workouts. Like I said, this station has extra. They have kettlebells, they have some medicine balls, but usually I come in with a game plan based off of just the standard stuff. A lot of the workouts I do are just body weight. Today we have a body weight workout here. It's 20 minutes, going to be 25 burpees and 25 air squats, and that's going to be repeated for 20 minutes. So this is more of a cardio with a little bit of muscle building aspect to it. So with this, there's different ways you can modify it. So if you're getting into fitness, you're getting back into fitness, you don't need a lot of equipment to be able to do anything. Like I said, these two movements, all body weight, you can do them anywhere. I have just a spot over here on the floor. That's all you need. So to modify this, you can do 3 different ways. You can either modify the time to make it shorter or longer. 20 minutes is good, kind of moderate cardio for me. So I like 20-minute range. It's usually how long we are working when we're in a fire on an air bottle. We usually get about 20 minutes, so that's where I like to stay in that 20-30-minute range. If you want to keep the time, you can keep that, it's great. If you need to modify the exercises, you can modify the reps of the exercise. So 25, again, is a moderate for me, but you may need to lower that for yourself because you want to keep moving the whole time. You don't want to be stopping and waiting. So you want to make it a good number that you can kind of keep moving throughout this 20-minute pace or whatever time you choose. And then lastly, what you can do is you can modify the movements themselves. And so few of those modifications for the movements, we'll go over here. So for your air squat, what you want to do is basically just like you're sitting in a chair. You want to get your feet about shoulder width apart, nice wide stance, nice stable stance, and basically you're just pushing back, keeping your hands out for balance, coming down. So for modification for this is different depths. You can go to a chair, you can actually get like a bench, like you're sitting on the bench, and back up. Or you can go lower. And what you want to do is you want to come down, push your butt back, you want to bring your butt down till you're breaking parallel. So nice and low and back up. So air squats, nice and easy. Then for your burpees, this is where you're going to have a few different modifications as well. So what you want to do for your burpee is basically you're going to come down, you can put your hands down, you can step back down to the ground, come back up, you can step up, and then jump. That's going to be the easiest way to do the burpee. And then if you want to make it harder, you can come down, put your hands down, you can jump your feet back, come down to the ground, come back up. You can either step up or again, you can jump back up and then jump. And that's how you do a burpee. And then if you want to make it even harder, you just you go faster, come down and up. And those 2 movements alone are good. Like I said, good for building muscle, and they're good for getting some cardio. They'll get you breathing hard. So it's real simple to make different workouts with just, like I said, body weight movements. You can do that, you can do push-ups, you can do sit-ups, you can adjust. Even with just this kind of scheme here, 20 minutes and 25, like I said, you can change it to push-ups and sit-ups and air squats and push-ups or whatever else you have. You can add different things if you have different weights. and you can get a good workout in. So don't let, all the equipment scare you. Don't let the gym scare you. You can make anything into a workout, and you can have fun doing it, and you can get in shape with it. So that's my workout. For this, I got 6 rounds. So if you try it out, let me know what you get, see how you do, and have fun with it.